Here we are going to see what is art and how management is an art. So, the art here is the practical application of knowledge. If the theory of a subject is science, its practice is an art. And art is the systematic application of skill and knowledge in effecting desired results. If science is learned and art is practiced, so it's stated differently that science is to know and art is to do. Okay, so here we were going to see some features where we say how management is an art. So it has some practical knowledge. Like the management has to plan, organize, guide, coordinate, and control the activities of his subordinates, means his employees. Therefore, practical knowledge of these functions is very essential for him. He is also required to work in the real situations of the business, which need his overall understanding of the business environment. Okay. Next comes his personal skill or application is personalized. So management is a personal and individual skill. I think you know that all the individuals are working in the management. The psychology of individual differences applies in the case of management also. Every manager has its own original, distinct way of doing his work, according to his ability, his understanding, tactfulness, and experience, which makes management as an art. It may be justified as an art because it is creative. Okay. Next is perfection through practice. The old saying is that, I think you all know, that practice makes man perfect. It truly applies in case of management also. Like other arts, managerial efficiency is developed through practice. The real business situations and opportunities go on changing from time to time, and the management has to work in these changing circumstances. Through experience, he is in a position to evolve his own individual and novel approach of dealing with the problems. So management, we can conclude that it can safely be regarded as an art because application of management principles is personalized in the sense that every manager has its own approach to the management problems. Okay. Further, management involves practice and creativity, which makes it an art. So management principles are practically applied in the real situation of the business, and it shows concrete and constructive results in the matter of the production, sales, and profit. As such, management is undoubtedly an art. Management is thus the oldest of arts and youngest of science.